is Moon. I am 7 years old. I live in Hanyang with my family. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make a snow person. This is how to make a snow person. You will need a bottom, the middle, and the head. First, roll up a ball to make the bottom of the snow person. Second, roll up a smaller ball than the first ball. This will be the middle of the snow person. Third, roll up a smaller ball than the second ball. This will be the head of the snow person. Fourth, you can put eyes on the snow person. The eyes can be made of marble or small stones. You can also put a nose on the snow person. You can put orange carrots on the snow person. 6. You can put a smiling face. You can put a mouth on the snow person. The mouth can be made of anything. Do those snow person have a smiling or frowning face? Do those snow person have a big nose or a small nose? Now, you can put a hat on the snow person's head. You can also put a scarf around the snow person's neck. Now, you have made a snow person. Do you want to make a friend with a snow person? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.